Remove the old turf using a spade, or for larger areas consider hiring a mechanical turf cutter. If you have a lot of aggressive weeds in the existing lawn, then it is advisable to kill off the whole area first before removal of the old lawn. Use a systemic broad-spectrum herbicide which will be absorbed by the foliage of both the weeds and grasses. Once applied, it is carried right through to the root system, thereby killing the plants completely. Once this has been applied, you should wait 1 to 2 weeks before spading off or stripping the old lawn with a mini turf cutter. Most major tool hire shops hire out mini turf cutters, and it will make the job much simpler. Once you have removed the old turf, you should dig over, or preferably rotivate the area to be turfed. If the soil is not the best quality or of insufficient volume, source a good supplier and add to existing. If required, we are able to supply bulk bags of Grade 1 screened topsoil. It is best to use a screened soil as there will be no large stones or clods. Level the site using a rake. Slight undulations are not really a problem providing they are gradual. It is important that the prepared site is free from weeds, stones, clods or any other debris. Hard lumpy objects can prevent simultaneous rooting, and it is most important that the grass takes evenly, as stressed plants can be overtaken by weeds or weed grasses, or even die completely if deprived of contact with the base soil. It is important that the soil is firmed down. This is achieved by treading the soil. A roller would be too heavy and may recompact the soil, undoing all the good work you've already done. Once you have created a smooth, consolidated surface to the desired contours, we would recommend application of a pre-turfing fertilizer, which we are able to supply if required. This will help to promote a healthy root system as the new turf establishes. During summer, it may be advisable to use water retaining crystals. These are sprinkled onto the prepared site and gently raked into the top 1 to 2 inches. Once watered, the crystals swell up, retaining the moisture in the top layer where the newly establishing roots can reach it. Using water retaining crystals will reduce the need for watering by up to 4 times. If you are located in Turfland's delivery catchment area, then your turf will arrive on a Turfland truck with a forklift offload as standard. National deliveries take place using a pallet distribution network, which usually operate a tail lift and pump truck offloading system. Providing orders are placed before 2 p.m, we can normally deliver next working day. As turf deliveries are curbside, you will need to transfer the rolls of turf to a convenient position ready for laying. Now you are ready to begin laying your new lawn. When the first row is laid, place the scaffold plank on top. This will do 3 jobs. 1. Act as a straight edge for your next row. 2. Will avoid indentations made by walking on the newly laid turf. 3. Will evenly distribute the compression weight for good soil to turf contact. Rake the next area to receive turf using the same pressure and direction on the rake. When starting the next row, start half a turf in to stagger the joints to prevent long gaps if shrinking occurs. When the line is complete, move the planks onto it and carry on this way until the lawn is complete. Make sure the turfs are butted up close together. This reduces the possibility of unsightly gaps should any shrinkage occur due to insufficient watering. Start watering in as soon as possible, preferably within an hour of laying. In dry conditions, water morning and evening until well rooted, and thereafter as grass indicates requirements. Your new lawn should establish within just a few weeks. You can check if it is rooted by lifting the corner of a turf. If it is adhering to the soil, It is ready to use and you can enjoy your new Turfland lawn.